Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the power seats and the power seats modules, guys, on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about it, where you can find them. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses and relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Power seats, power seat control modules, fuses, relays, come to show you guys where you can expect to find them. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners do not know about the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we guys need to do now specifically, we need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the right side here, that's the driver's side, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have a fuse box, main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there. When you release them, you need to open the cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, multiple fuses, relays will need to be checked here. Starting on this side, we're talking about first fuse number 5 and fuse number 6. These two fuses right here will need to be checked. The next thing that you will, guys, need to check, okay, specifically is fuse number 24, guys. Okay, let me explain where that one is. Right here, fuse number 24. Now guys, after that, okay, we may need to check a few more things. We're talking about fuse 77 right here. Okay, you see that fuse number 77 will need to be checked here, and you have fuse 78 right there. All these fuses and relays will need to be checked. If you still have problems with it, you may want to check fuses and relays for the body control module, because the body control module controls these functions as well. The video will be on the channel for any of you needing help with that. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.